Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a reverse basket pullback. Obviously, if you want to do this, knowing a basket pullback would be really helpful. If you don't know one of those already, I'll put a link in the description below so you can go back and fill in that gap. And for those of you who are ready, let's jump in. This isn't strictly a basket pullback done backwards, but it has the kind of reverse pullback at the start and then a normal basket ending. So instead of starting like a basket and ending with the pullback, it kind of does a reverse pullback and then ends as a normal basket, if that makes any sense. So it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's break it down. So it starts off walking the lady in to a pullback. So we go back to 2 hands. We're walking the lady forwards. We're being very careful not to give the lady rotation because it would be very easy for this to feel like an octopus or a loophole. So what we need to do is you need to bring the lady forwards. The left hand comes up but not across the lady's body. The right stays down low. We're walking past the lady on the left hand side. So the hand that's in our right will fold across the lady's tummy. We let the lady into a stretch and we're going to head across the back, and that left hand is going to come down as the lady comes backwards. So we're going over to the far side, we bring the lady back into our right hand side, and we're going to bring the hands down to the hips to collect the lady, and now it's just to finish as a basket with a twist round the corner, turn the lady and look, return the lady and back. So it's effectively a fancy different way into a normal basket. So if we think of numbers, we go back to 2 hands on 1, walking the lady into the barrier on 2, pull the lady back into the right hand side on 3, twisting out 4, round the corner 5, turning 6, facing 7, returning 8 and back 1. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, reverse basket pullback. It's a back into the barrier, back to the side, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. Hope you find that fun and useful out on the dance floor. There is a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. If you have any comments, any questions, do put them in the comment section below. And if you're finding what we're doing useful, then do please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time a new video comes out. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.